Dickie, I'm going to tell you something. Your father had an accident at work.
Why did you sleep in your school clothes?
CJ? How come you're so tired?